Hello and welcome you all in the foundation course of Linux terminal commands. In this video, we are going to talk about these commands, which are history, clear, nautilus, man-k and exit. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, the history command. If you want to know the history of your commands that you entered in your terminal, it can be any shell, bash or zsh, then you can use the history command, that is history. And here you can see the list of all those commands that you have used. And that's the useful feature of history. Suppose you entered a command and now you forgot that which command you entered at a particular time. Then you can use this history command to see the history of your commands. Alright. Now, a lot of things are visible over the screen, and if you want to clear this terminal screen, then to clear the screen, you have a very beautiful command, that is clear, simply, and now you have nothing on the screen. The screen is cleared. Another thing very important is that a lot of people use terminal and command line interface, but at some point of time they are required to use the graphical user interface in Linux. Now, if you want to open any directory in a graphical user interface using terminal, then you can use the command nautilus. Now, first of all, I would like to show you where am I. I am here available, and this is the directory I am available in. And if you want to open this directory in a GUI, graphical user interface, then you can use the command nautilus and then the path of directory. Because currently I want to open the current directory, I will use dot, nautilus dot. That means open the current directory in GUI, and here you can see this directory is now opened, and I can close it from here. Now that's all about nautilus. Second thing is, we already know about man commands from the previous classes, but man command has a very beautiful and a very useful feature, and that is known as a flag -k. -k flag is very useful. Suppose you want to know about all those commands that has some relation with graphics or networking, then you can use the -k flag of man command. This works like this. Suppose you want to know about all those commands that has some relation with graphics, then you can type man-k graphics, and here you go. These commands has some relation with graphics. Now you can search further that which command you want or not. But and second thing is, suppose you want to know about all those commands that has some relation with network, and then here these all commands has some relation with network. Now clear the terminal, you can use clear command. Alright, so now if you want to come out of this terminal, then you can simply use the exit command like this, and you will be coming out of this terminal. That's all for now. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.